Tommy checks behind the chair. Is that my mom with braided hair? Daddy's shoes are peeking out. I found you both, he starts to shout. Finding mom, finding dad, running fast, we're oh so glad. Laughing loud and having fun, hide and seek with everyone. Tommy checks behind the chair. Is that my mom with braided hair? Daddy's shoes are peeking out. I found you both, he starts to shout. Finding mom, finding dad, every game makes us so glad. Three sweet families full of cheer, playing together, love is near. Woo! Let's play again, it's so much fun. Hide and seek for everyone. Woo! Here comes the fire truck, red and loud, racing through the streets so proud. Wheels go spinning, sirens roar. Vroom, 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 off they soar. Woo, 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 let's clear the way. Firefighters save the day. Big red truck with lights so bright, zooms on through day or night. See the ladder rising high, reaching up into the sky. Brave team climbs without delay, putting out the flames today. Woo, 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 let's cheer, hooray. Firefighters save the day. Water splashes left and right, fighting fires with all their might. Helmet on and hose in hand, working as a strong, brave band. Helping people, pets, and more. That's what fire trucks are for. Woo, 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 let's jump and play. Thank you, heroes, hip hooray. Fire trucks off on its way, saving lives every day. Woo, woo. Come along, let's count and play. We'll sing our numbers every day. 1, 2, tie my shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, don't be late. 9, 10, let's count again. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, counting numbers to the beat. Dance around and spin in place. Let's keep going at a happy pace. 1, 2, jump like a frog. 3, 4, bark like a dog. 5, 6, do some kicks. 7, 8, slide and skate. 9, 10, numbers are great. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, counting numbers to the beat. Dance around and spin in place. Let's keep going at a happy pace. 1 to 10, now give a cheer. Say your numbers loud and clear. We love counting, yes we do. Next time count with me and you.
march along, left foot, right foot, sing a song. Clap your hands and stomp the ground. Army kids all spin around. Left, right, left, hooray! We are strong and brave today. Marching in a happy line, Army kids feel mighty fine. Hats on heads and boots on feet, salute your friends when you meet. Wave the flag up in the sky, Army kids reach way up high. Left, right, left, hooray! We are strong and brave today. Marching in a happy line, Army kids feel mighty fine. Crawl through tunnels, jump so high, zoom like rockets in the sky. Teamwork makes us smile and cheer. Army kids are full of cheer. Left, right, left, hooray! We are strong and brave today. Marching in a happy line, Army kids feel mighty fine. March, march, shout hooray! Army kids save the day. We ran outside, and guess what came along for the ride? Zoom goes the wind, it tickled my nose. Let's fly a kite, shouted Lily in her bows. She held the string, I grabbed the tail. Our kite jumped high like a fish with a sail. Fly, fly, up so high. How high can you go, bright butterfly? Twist, twirl, loop-de-loop, our kite's in a dancing group. Swish goes the tail, swirl goes the breeze. Our kite met a bird near the top of the trees. Hello up there, we all cried loud. It spun like a top, then dipped through a cloud. Over the rooftops, over the moon, sailing our wishes like a balloon. Close your eyes, let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Fly, fly, jump and glide. Our kite's on a rainbow ride. Up, down, all around, spinning like a silly sound. To the laughing, running, what a sight, what a day to fly a kite. And when the wind said nighty-night, we tucked our kite in oh so tight.
Bubble bus, floating through the sky. Over clouds and cotton puffs we wave as we go by. Birdies chirp and giggle loud, flying by our side. With bubble wings and twinkling things, it's such a dreamy ride. Coo-wee, we're flying high in a bubbly bus that floats oh my. Up through stars and down with glee to the foamy ocean, wild and free. Bubble bus, diving in the blue. Underneath the sea we go with dolphins splashing too. Jellyfish with lantern heads glowing in a line. We bounce on waves and laugh all day, oh this adventure's fine. Hop, hop, a giggle here. Bubble rainbows far and near. Magic trails and laughter sweet, with bubbly songs and dancing feet. Coo-wee, we're flying high in a bubbly bus that floats oh my. Through the sky and ocean foam, the bubble bus will take us home. So if you see bubble bus come back again with joy and giggles for you, my friend.
We stack the pillows one by one. Building forts is so much fun. Toss and giggle, crawl inside a magic kingdom we can't hide. Toothbrushes dance, it's time to clean with bubbly foam and faces gleam. Brush up high and down below, smiles that sparkle bright and glow. Look at these jammies, soft and neat. Stars and moons on every sheet. We jump and wiggle, spin with cheer. Bedtime clothes are super dear. Let's read a book, then close our eyes. With dragons, clouds, and twinkly skies, we snuggle close, our eyelids fall. Dreams will come for one and all. The stars shine bright, the moon says hi. We yawn and stretch, then say goodbye. Cuddled up, the day is done. Good night, friends, that was so fun.
Where the tall trees sway lives a squirrel who bakes at the break of day. With a hat on her head and a smile so wide, she opens her bakery warm inside. Elite corn pies and berry buns, leafy cakes for everyone. Whisk and stir, then hop with glee. It's fun at the Squirrel Bakery. She twirls with a spoon and hums a tune, mixing her dough by the light of the moon. Owls drop by and rabbits wait. They all line up at the forest gate. Elite corn pies and berry buns, leafy cakes for everyone. Whisk and stir, then hop with glee. It's fun at the Squirrel Bakery. Sprinkle a nut, add a dash of cheer. The tastiest treats are baked right here. With puff puff steam and a cinnamon twist, no critter in the woods can resist. Born to eat corn pies and berry buns, leafy cakes for everyone. Clap and spin so happily, we love the Squirrel Bakery. Corn pies and berry buns, leafy cakes for everyone. Clap and spin so happily, we love the Squirrel Bakery.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then, bye-bye!